Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to Traders Room South Africa. If it is your first time on the channel, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button. If it is not your first time on the channel, thank you for tuning in. So traders, you guys can see that the background and the environment is very different, right? So this morning I just came back from Take-A-Lot just to deliver a few products. Now this is a whole operation. What the hell? Business. Take-A-Lot is pushing P, bro. Look at all them trucks, man. And I happen to have my laptop in the boot, and literally after washing the car and decided to wash the car in the car while I was waiting, I literally came across a trading opportunity on US30. So if I do show you on my MT5, I will also screen record. I took a trade about 7 to 10 minutes ago. If not 15, right? So if you see on the screen right now, I will show it on the screen as well. But I did fund about $300 into the trading account, and right now, literally, man, we got into profit. So if you can see the chart right over here, we are in profit. You can see the candlesticks. It is a trade that we took a few minutes ago on the 5-minute time frame. And I am trading with my preferred broker, which is Octa. So you guys can see it's a live account on Octa with Octa. This is my preferred broker. I've been trading with them, and I showed you in the previous video that my goal this year is to trade in dollars, but I will tell you more about Octa later on in the video. But if you are interested in trading with Octa, make sure that you use my link in the description and the Traders Room SA promo code, for 100% deposit bonus. But other than that, let me quickly show you the setup on the laptop where I'm looking to take profit. All right, traders, right now I am on the screens. Yeah, guys, don't mind. This is usually not the normal environment we record the videos in, but I will do a proper breakdown of the trade back at home at the setup, at the desk. But right now, let me just show you the idea that I did have on this particular trade. So you guys can see on Trading View, the setup is super simple. The market was literally pushing up, and it created a bit of a consolidation, and it created a pattern. It created a flag. So this is a continuation pattern that formed. But I will do the more detailed breakdown later on at the end of the video once we take profit. But let me quickly show you the different take profit areas. So the very first take profit level is around about 130 points from the entry. So the second TP area is about 250 points. So if you guys do go to the 1-hour chart, you guys will see how this setup is, and it does look promising right now. So there's so much noise, but traders, right now let me just show you the update of this trade. It's running smoothly. I think we did have drawdown for about 2-3 minutes of being in the trade, but other than that, I am going to close the laptop right now. You guys can see how simple the analysis is. I feel like trading should just be simple. You guys shouldn't overcomplicate the charts. The moment you make this thing more than what it is, you guys will end up complicating the charts to a point where you see things that aren't there on the market. So a piece of advice that I really give to you guys is keep the trading simple. But other than that, traders, let me tell you more about Octa. You guys have been asking so many questions about the broker that I use, so a big shout out to Octa for being the partner and sponsor of the channel. Right, so Octa is a licensed and regulated broker in South Africa. I will put their FSP license right over here on the screen. They have over 300 different trading instruments that you guys can basically choose from. Whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading indices or currency pairs, you guys can trade with Octa. And one thing that I will suggest is that you do get their app, where you guys can seemingly trade from the app and make withdrawals and deposits. I will leave the link down below in the description where you guys can register, sign up, and download the Octa app. Another thing that you guys have been asking about in terms of Octa is the withdrawals, and I've noticed that the more withdrawals that I do make with Octa, the processing times are quicker. but I will withdraw at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, and then we will see how long it is going to take for the money to reflect into my bank account. But guys, make sure that you do trade with Octa and use TRADERSROOM as the promo code so that you guys can get 100% deposit bonus. But yeah, traders, let's sit here, wait for the card to get washed, and then we'll just make sure that the trade runs smoothly, and I will update you guys later on in the video in terms of how far we went with the trade. But the goal for the day, I think, is 10k. That's my goal with this particular trade and the profit I do want to make, and then we'll decide if we just withdraw the profit or we withdraw everything, you know. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys saw something really cool and valuable. But I'm gonna pack the laptop, wait for the parts to get washed, and then I'll probably see you guys at the breakdown. All right guys, so quick update. Right now I literally ran a few errands, testing out a few things, you know, in terms of like e-commerce and just diversifying like the other streams of income. Right now I'm just gonna pop up an update of the trades because my phone is the one being used to record. So the time is 20 past, you know, you guys will see on the screen recording. That's the time of the trades, so we're gonna manage these trades, but got a few products that we are gonna test. And yeah man, just a quick update. And guys, this is a simple day in the life, you know. You guys don't always have to be locked up in the room trading, but let's go. And yeah, all right traders, so finally done with the trading day for the day. I won't lie to you, man, today was quite busy, man, running errands. Also had to go home. I couldn't really record the full trading experience and us closing the trade, but as we were closing the trade, I will do a breakdown at the end of the video. We ended up closing just in time during the New York session, right? So it's important to trade in sessions because that's the best way to do things, right? So I will screen record. So if you do look at my screen recording right now, the account balance is at $873, and if you go to the history, you can see the deposit for the day. You guys can see the profit, which is $572, and it's almost at $600, and basically the target I had set for the day is 10k. So we did smash that. I think in total it's 10,500 rand. But yeah man, you can see it is a real account with Octa. So a lot of you have been asking like, how long do the withdrawals take? So I'm gonna place a withdrawal right now. Let's go to the Octa website. Hey. Okay, so right now I am on the Octa website. As you can see, the balance is 873 on Octa. It's the same as the MT5. So let's see the profit. I'm only gonna withdraw the profit, and let's see how long it's gonna take for Octa to basically send through the withdrawal. So I'm gonna withdraw $572, withdraw, and let's just see how long they take. I'm gonna use FNB, and let me just put the amount $572, which is basically the profit 10.5. I think we were right. And then let me put my Octa pin. Request. Okay guys, I'm gonna submit the withdrawal right now. It is 20 past. I have placed the withdrawal right now. Okay, yeah, the withdrawal is placed right now. I'm gonna wait.
20 minutes later.
So the food is here, but I don't want to make this up. If you do look at my phone right now, I can't screen record because my phone is still locked. But if you see the time and the notification I just received right now, can you see?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna unlock my phone, and if you guys can see, I literally just received the withdrawal right now. So it's been roughly 15 minutes now. Is it 15 minutes?
Yeah.
No, 20 something minutes. So yeah guys, you can see I literally just received the withdrawal. Big shout out to Octa. Yeah man, I think I will pop it up on the screen right now. But basically that's how it is, man. In terms of like receiving the withdrawal with Octa, FNB really cooks. You know, you guys can also use other banks as well, but that's just the withdrawal, you know. But other than that, besides the withdrawal side of things, you guys have actually been sending a lot of DMs on Instagram, you know. a lot of you have been asking, yo, Lebza, how much is your mentorship? Do you offer mentorship? Do you offer signals? And guys, on Traders Room, for all the years we've been running, we have not been offering any sort of mentorship or any services, and that basically sparked an idea in my mind, so we basically thought of offering a 14-day trading sessions, basically where we teach you guys how to trade the way we trade, and basically fix your trading psychology into profitability. So a lot of you have actually been stuck in your trading. For a long time, we've been at a phase where we were struggling in our trading, seeing a lot of inconsistency, and all it took was that psychology switch for us to become profitable. So we're basically running a 14-day sprint where we're going to be teaching our audience and giving it back to our community for free. We are only giving this opportunity to 15 traders who want to change their trading, man. If you guys do want to take part in these sessions, it's super simple. You guys just need to register with Octa, which is basically our recommended broker, and basically fund however much you want to into the account. In terms of funding, you guys can decide whatever you do with those accounts or however you want to trade them, but this is just a way for us to basically track who wants to be part of this 14-day sprint that we are having. And I will also leave a Telegram link in the description where you guys will join, and in the Telegram group there will be a Google form that you guys can basically fill out, basically tell us your trading experience, and then we'll basically go through all of those and decide on only 15 traders that we can help, so this is something that we have been thinking about just for the past week, something we can basically give back to our audience, because we're also close to 90,000 subscribers. By the way, we are starting this whole session next week, right? So I will put the dates on the screen. Make sure that you guys do hurry up, sign up if you guys do want to be profitable and basically get the knowledge that we have. So from next week, we will be starting, and then it's going to run for 2 weeks. We will be touching on psychology, mindset, and getting you trading results. And yeah, man, only serious people, like gen chats, like serious people only, people who feel like they've been stuck in their trading. And since I know there are some people, you've seen other people start this trading thing way after you've started, but they've seen results quicker, so this is basically for those people, because we've also been there, and there are a lot of psychological barriers we had to break and go past just to become profitable, guys. Because beyond the strategies, anyone can trade strategy, but guys, I don't want to do too much talking. If you guys do want to be part of that, make sure that you click the link below, and yeah guys, I'll see you on the screens.
All right, traders, so it is currently the next morning. It is 7:30 a.m. and yeah guys, we're about to do the breakdown on yesterday's trade. So guys, I'm gonna keep things super simple. Things don't have to be complicated, like I did say earlier. As you guys can see, if you guys did watch the previous lesson where I was teaching about market structure, we still have what we're teaching on the lesson. But if you guys do notice something on the charts right now, is that the market is currently, while it isn't an uptrend, right? We have a series of higher highs and higher lows. As you guys can see, we have lows in the market, we have a high low right over here, and so forth. But currently, to be honest with you, the market is making a series of equal highs and equal lows, right? Which means that the market is currently in a range, right? If you guys look at it on the 4-hour chart, right? Right over here, we have a ranging market, right? So when you are trading a ranging market, you don't want to be in trades too long. You want to be in and out, right? And you guys do know, if you do trade US30, it is a very volatile market, right? So I'm going to keep things very simple and just show you guys exactly what I did see on the market, right? So I opened the charts. Like I did say, I did realize that we are within a range, but obviously as you do go down into lower time frames, there are a bit of trends, very short-term trends that are happening within the market. And yeah guys, so the first thing I did identify when I did get into these trades is that the market really on this level, the market really did create a strong rejection, right, on this low in this area right over here. Okay, so I had actually seen the market while it had when it had actually just created this beautiful flag right over here, as I did explain to you earlier in today's video. But as you guys do remember, there's 3 market phases, right? So the market consists of an impulsive move. I'm going to just draw it out for you guys. We have an impulsive move followed by a corrective move. And right after that correction, we have another impulse move, right? So this is basically the basis of our lesson or of our trade today, right? So we had this impulsive move to the upside followed by a correction, and then we had a breakout, right? And that's what led us to take these buys. If you guys did not see the previous video on market structure, it explains it very well. So what had happened is that I opened the charts, and then I saw that this market obviously came down here, rejected, and then we had a little break of structure right over here. We had a break of structure, right? So if you guys do go down to a lower 5-minute chart, you can see that the market broke this previous high, you know what I mean? And we had a solid break above it. After we broke out of this high, I know the charts do look a bit messy right now, but after we broke this little high on the 15-minute and 5-minute time frame, the market created a consolidation, right? So like I did say, there's 3 market phases. We have an impulsive move, as you guys can see right over here. We have an impulse followed by a correction, and then I instantly knew that we had to have another impulsive move, right? Okay, cool. So what I had seen is that we had this bullish flag, and I think what really sold it to me, what made me want to fund my account, was I saw this beautiful candlestick patterns, guys. These candlesticks right over here. So you guys need to understand what your candlesticks look like. And even on the 1-hour chart, we had this little beautiful structure happening in the market, which caused us to take trades on the 15-minute time frame, guys. So we literally executed our trades round about, let me be specific with it, I think round about here I was trying to fund, and then I just let the market go down a bit, and then we took trades, right? It's just as simple as that, guys. So how did I take my take profit? I looked for nearest areas where I could take profit. Remember, we are in a ranging market, guys, and you don't want to be in trades for too long, right? So my first target area, let me go down to the 15-minute chart. My first target area was this recent area where there's a lot of confluence and a lot of, you know, touches in the market. If I do extend this, you guys will see that there is a lot of, you know, points where this market turns around, right? So my second take profit area was this second area right over here. But let me just zoom in for the sake of cleanliness on the charts. All right, guys, so I did take this trade right over here during the London session. This was the Asian consolidation, and then we had your London breakout, and then as you guys can see, we exited right before 4:30, which is the New York reversal. As you guys can see on the market just reacted and just reversed during London. So it is important to trade your market sessions. Know what time you should trade. You don't want to be stuck in trades the whole day, guys, which is something I'm gonna tap into in future lessons, right? So just to quickly wrap it up, we did take our profit round about these areas. You know, I started to see that the market was beginning to reverse and to slow down. And you know, sometimes, guys, you need to be realistic. You don't want to hog onto trades. You don't want to stay in for too long, right? So I started seeing reversal, some form of reversal around this area, and I was like, all right, guys, we've had a good day, and we're about to enter the New York session. I just traded my London session, and yeah, guys, there was no need to really try ride it out longer and just try make more money. Just left it here. As you guys can see on the screen, we also did make extra amount of money. I did enter a few more trades just to get to that 10k. I think I entered around here, somewhere around here, and as I saw the 10k target, I literally just left. And thereafter, after a few minutes, this market just dropped during New York, right? I wasn't even supposed to take this trade, but You know, these are some of the little mistakes we make in the market, and that's a bit of lack of discipline. I don't want to lie to you. But yeah, guys, that's the trade. Simply put, we are going to take more trades today. It is a Tuesday. We're going to look for more opportunities if they do present themselves on the market. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this lesson, and see you in the next one. Cheers.